Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 10 healthy fall foods that will nourish your body and keep you feeling great all season long. Forget those heavy, unhealthy comfort foods. This season, we're focusing on fresh, vibrant ingredients packed with flavor and goodness. Get ready to discover exciting ways to incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into your autumn dishes. First up, the star of the season, pumpkin. This humble gourd is more than just a Halloween decoration or a Thanksgiving pie filling. And no, I'm not talking about those sugary lattes that flood every coffee shop come October. This vibrant orange squash is packed with vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can be used in a variety of dishes. We're talking about a serious immune system boost, improved digestion, and even better vision. The beta-carotene in pumpkin converts to vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. Don't tell me you're not interested. Now let's get creative. There are so many ways to incorporate pumpkin into your meals. Roasted pumpkin soup? A classic, and for good reason. It's warm, comforting, and perfect for chilly autumn evenings. Or how about some pumpkin spice pancakes for a weekend treat? They're fluffy, flavorful, and a great way to start your day. Trust me, this versatile ingredient deserves a place in your kitchen this fall. From savory to sweet, the possibilities are endless. Try adding pumpkin to your favorite pasta sauce, or even baking it into bread. The options are only limited by your imagination. Next, we're spicing things up with sweet potatoes. Forget bland, boring potatoes. These beauties are bursting with vitamins A and C, fiber, and potassium. We're talking glowing skin, happy digestion, and even blood pressure regulation. Now, how do we cook these bad boys? Sweet potato and black bean enchiladas are a surefire winner, packed with flavor and a good kick. Or for something simpler, you can't go wrong with crispy sweet potato fries. Remember, season them well. Let's be honest, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, especially when it comes to these fall favorites. High in fiber and antioxidants, apples are your heart's best friend. They aid digestion, help manage weight, and honestly, who can resist their sweet, crisp bite? Now, let's elevate these apples beyond a simple snack. An apple and brie grilled cheese is the perfect balance of sweet and savory. Or, toss them in a salad with some candied walnuts and a sharp vinaigrette for a refreshing starter. Listen up, because Brussels sprouts often get a bad rap. Many people remember them as the mushy, bitter vegetables from their childhood, but it doesn't have to be that way. But trust me, these little green gems are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. We're talking vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and folate. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining good vision, boosting your immune system, and helping your blood clot properly. And let's not forget the antioxidants. These compounds help fight off free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Enough antioxidants to make Popeye jealous. They boost immunity, strengthen bones, and some even say they help prevent cancer. Studies have shown that the compounds in Brussels sprouts can help protect against certain types of cancer, including colon and lung cancer. The key is to not overcook them. Overcooking Brussels sprouts can release sulfur compounds that give them a strong, unpleasant smell and taste. Instead, aim for a tender, crisp texture. Roasted Brussels sprouts with crispy bacon and a drizzle of maple syrup? Absolutely delicious. The roasting process brings out their natural sweetness and adds a delightful crunch. Now that's a side dish that steals the show, perfect for holiday dinners or any special occasion. Or toss them in a salad with quinoa, roasted vegetables, and maybe some nuts or seeds for added texture and flavor. And a tangy lemon dressing for a light yet satisfying meal. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides a balanced mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. So, give Brussels sprouts another chance, and you might just find a new favorite dish. Now, let's talk about butternut squash, the darling of fall flavors. This vibrant orange squash is not just a pretty face. It's loaded with vitamins A and C, fiber, and potassium. We're talking healthy skin, smooth digestion, and even blood pressure regulation. Butternut squash risotto is a classic for a reason. It's creamy, comforting, and bursting with flavor. Or try a butternut squash mac and cheese for a healthier twist on a family favorite. Just remember to season it well. Next up, we have pomegranates, the ruby jewels of the fall harvest. These little seeds pack a powerful punch of antioxidants, which are essential for a healthy heart, sharp brain, and fighting inflammation. Now, don't be intimidated by their unique structure. A pomegranate and arugula salad with crumbled feta and a light vinaigrette is a refreshing and flavorful starter. Or, blend them into a smoothie with berries, spinach, and a splash of almond milk for a nutrient-packed breakfast or snack. Don't think for a minute that cranberries are just for Thanksgiving dinner. These tart little berries are bursting with antioxidants and are especially known for supporting urinary tract health. They also contribute to a healthy heart and a strong immune system. Now, while cranberry sauce is a classic, let's branch out. How about a cranberry glazed salmon for a sophisticated and healthy dinner? Or try adding them to your morning oatmeal with some nuts and seeds for a tart and tangy twist. Don't underestimate the acorn squash. This small but mighty squash is a nutritional powerhouse, much like its cousin, the butternut squash. We're talking vitamins A and C, fiber, and potassium, all contributing to healthy skin, good digestion, and blood pressure control. Now, let's get cooking. Stuffed acorn squash is a hearty and satisfying meal. Get creative with the fillings, from quinoa and cranberries to sausage and apples. Or try a simple acorn squash soup for a light yet comforting dinner. Let's talk pears, the elegant cousin of the apple. These sweet and juicy fruits are a good source of fiber and antioxidants, making them excellent for heart health, digestion, and weight management. But pears are not just for snacking. A pear and gorgonzola salad with candied walnuts and a balsamic vinaigrette is a classic for a reason. Or, for a warm and comforting dessert, try a pear crumble with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Last but not least, we have kale, the king of greens. This leafy green has earned its crown for a reason. This leafy green is an absolute powerhouse of nutrients. It's not just a trend, it's a staple for a healthy diet. We're talking vitamins A, C, and K fiber, and a host of other essential nutrients. Kale is packed with vitamins that support your vision, skin, and immune system. And let's not forget the antioxidants. These compounds help fight off free radicals, promoting overall health and longevity. Kale promotes strong bones, a powerful immune system, and some even say it helps prevent cancer. The high fiber content aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Now, let's get cooking. A kale and feta salad with roasted vegetables and a lemon vinaigrette is a light and refreshing meal. The combination of flavors and textures makes it a perfect dish for any occasion. Or try making kale chips for a healthy and addictive snack. They're easy to make and can be seasoned to your liking. Just remember to massage the kale with olive oil and season it well. This helps to break down the fibers, making it more tender and flavorful. Whether you're adding it to smoothies, salads, or snacks, kale is a versatile green that can elevate any meal. There you have it. 10 incredible fall foods that will nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Get creative in the kitchen, experiment with flavors, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and delicious recipes. See you next time.